Hi guys, today I want to show you how to annotate a PDF if you have a Mac. If you have a PC, I'm sure there's an app that will probably do the same thing. So here I've opened up this PDF that I've shared with you using Preview. And up here, you're going to make sure it says Preview. And you are going to be adding text boxes. So here you're going to go to Tools, Annotate, Text, and it pops up right here in the middle of your screen, and you're going to put, make sure it's gray, you're going to edit that, and let's say I want to do Unit 5, Week 1, and it's using the font that I've previously chosen. So if I want to change that, I'm going to go up here to, you can make it bigger, or you can make it smaller, and you can center it as well. And you can choose the color of your font. Let's say you want this light pink. I don't know why you would want that, but okay. So here, I'm going to change my font, and I'm going to drag it where I want it. And I'm not crazy about that font, but you get the idea. So another thing I want to show you that's pretty cool is this little sticky note. This opens up, so maybe I want to say add some notes. Let's say check or YouTube tutorial. I don't know, some, and then you can move this here. Click it. Oh yeah, I have to watch the YouTube tutorial for Unit 5. So there you go. I hope this is easy enough for you, and you can edit not just this, but anything that is a PDF. Have fun.